What's up, guys? So today we're going to be cleaning the Jeep. I haven't cleaned it in a while, and I figured with the whole thing that's going on right now, figured might as well clean it. I don't mind cleaning it, and as Larry from AmmoNYC says, keep it clean. So we're going to keep it clean, and I figured I would share with you guys just in case you guys felt like doing the same. So we're just going to vacuum the Jeep. I haven't done that all winter, so we'll vacuum, clean the seats up, and then use lather on all the dash parts and all the touch points and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll start by vacuuming. All right, so first what we're gonna do is, my Jeep's really not that dirty, so we're going to put this brush up here. But what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna spray onto this microfiber here. So lather is like Larry's interior cleaner. You can clean like plastics, leather, whatever this is. It's like a fake leather. And then like a vinyl, I guess you could call it. So it's like a cleaner. So we're just gonna throw it on this here towel, spray it a little bit, and we're just gonna wipe down the seat. So, and if your seat's really dirty, you can spray on the seat here. You can also use Shag fabric cleaner. It's more of like meant for fabrics. I'm all out of it, so I got to order some more, but we're just gonna wipe this thing down. Plus, it's gonna smell real nice and fresh in here. All right, that's good. So I'm gonna spray onto here, get my steering wheel. Spray some more of this in there. Get into here. This is always, if you've ever seen TJ's, they just get all gummed up in this area. We can ratchet it down. The rest of the dash. I always go through all this stuff too quick. I think it's just because I use it too much. Oh yeah, getting in between here, getting all that dust that's sitting in there. That's nice. Whoops. Take this little guy in. Get in here. Alrighty, guys, it didn't take too long. Looks like I got 10 minutes on the camera. So take 10 minutes, clean your Jeep out. You'll feel better, and your Jeep will look better too. So anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And definitely stay healthy, guys. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.